Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic variables and identifiers and also the operators in Python programming language. What is meant by a variable? A variable is a name that is associated with a value. The assignment operator equal to is used to assign values to a variable. We have 51 students in our class. To identify them, we need a name. Am I right? Same way, the variable is nothing but the name assigned for a value. An immutable value is a value that cannot be changed. A variable is a name or an identifier that is associated with a value as for variable number. For example, num is a variable name which is assigned for the value 10. Variable assignments and keyboard inputs. Variable assignment can be done with the help of keyboard inputs. For example, let's see an example. Name is equal to input within bracket single quotes. What is your first name? What is your first name? Then the answer will be typed in the keyboard by the use of the keyboard as John. In this case, the variable name is assigned to the string John. If the user hits return without entering any value, name would be assigned to an empty string, which is a bracket with a single quote. All input is returned by the input function as a string type. Python provides built-in type conversion function int and float to convert string into numerical values. Let's see an example. Line is equal to input. How many credits do you have within a single quote bracket? Num underscore credit is equal to int line. Line is equal to input. What is your grade point average? GPA is equal to float of line. The result is nothing but GPA gets the value which is stored inside the variable line. The next topic, identifier. An identifier is a sequence of one or more characters used to name a given program element. In Python, an identifier may contain letters and digits and special underscore characters but cannot begin with a digit. Variable name, line, num underscore credits, and GPA are examples of identifier. We have certain rules for framing identifier. Let's see them one by one. Python is case sensitive. Thus, capital LINE is different from small line. It may contain letters and digits but cannot begin with a digit. Underscores can be used in between characters. It should not begin with underscore as identifier begins with an underscore have special meaning in Python. Space are not allowed as a part of an identifier. Here are some of the examples. Keywords and other predefined identifiers in Python. A keyword is an identifier that has predefined meaning in the programming language. Therefore, keyword cannot be used as regular identifiers. And is equal to 10. This leads to a syntax error, invalid syntax, as and is a keyword which is already defined. Keyword is nothing but predefined word in Python language. The following are the keywords which are predefined in Python programming: and, as, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, try, while, with, yield, false, none, true. These are the keywords which are already predefined in Python programming languages. The next topic is operators, which is a very important and often asked university question. An operator. Operator is a symbol that represents an operation that may be performed on one or more operands. Operators that take one operand are called unary operator. Operator that take two operands are called binary operator. Python divides the operator in the following group. We have certain types of operators in Python. They are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operators, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and bitwise operator. Let's see them one by one. Let me explain what is meant by operand and the operator. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, where 5 and 3 are the operands and the plus symbol is the operator, and the equal to is an assignment operator. We have certain arithmetic operators. Minus x, which is nothing but the negation operator, x plus y, which is nothing but the addition operator, x minus y, which is nothing but the subtraction operator, x into y, which is nothing but the multiplication operator, x slash y, which is nothing but the division operator, x double slash y, which is nothing but the truncating division operator, x mod y, which is nothing but modulus operator, x double star y, which is nothing but the exponential operator. Python provides two forms of divisions. The division operator slash provides true division regardless of its operand type. The truncating division operator double slash provides either an integer or float truncatable result based on the type of the operand applied to. The modulus operator gives the remainder of the division of its operand. Here is an example of division operator as well as truncating division operator. If division operator between int and int, which will be the result type will be float. If the division operator int and float, the resulting type will be float. If it is for the float and float, the result type will be float. Likewise, for the truncating division operator int, the resulting type will be truncated int. Int and float, the resulting operator will be truncated float. And float will result type will be the truncated float. The next side heading is assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign values to variable, as I have already told you. Various assignment operators used in Python are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, modulus equal to, double slash truncation division modulus equal to, double star equal to, ampersand equal to, or equal to, nor equal to, bitwise equal to. For example, a plus equal to 3 is similar to a is equal to a plus 3. Next comes the comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. Various comparison operators are double equal to, nor equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. X is double equal to y is an example of comparison operators. The next is logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Logical operators available in Python are and, or, and not. Here is a fine example. X is less than 5 and x is less than 10. This means the x value lies between 5 to 10. Next comes the identity operator. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. is returns true if both variables are same object. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same object. The next operator is membership operator. In returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. Not in returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Example, x in y. Here is a small table representation of the bitwise operators. AND is the operator and the name is AND, sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. Or operator sets each bit to 1 if one of two bits is 1. NOR operator sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. NOT bit inverts all the bits. And 0 fill left shift left by pushing 0 in from the right and let the leftmost bit fall off. Signed right shift right by pushing copies of the leftmost bit in from the left and let the rightmost bit fall off. Students, I hope you understood what is meant by variable and the operators that is used to manipulate the variable. Thank you, students. If you're not clear with the information, kindly contact me through message. Thank you, students.